Hello friends and welcome for video lesson number 2. So after we have done all the sign-ups and all, now we are going to log in with the, whenever you log in your page, sign in up. When you sign in, sorry, not sign up, you will find the Google Authenticator to be filled up. So please fill that. So I'm just filling up now and show to you what happens next. Right. Yeah. Okay, here you go. This changes every minute. This OTP will be changing every minute, and you will see all the coins are available in our exchange to trade. But currently for deposit, we have only USDT, BTC, and ETH. These are for trading, for due to trading, and we are preparing all the things to be uploaded soon. And you can see here, there's a deposit and withdraw. So you can deposit currently here. If you click this deposit like USDT, it's just here. Okay, but before you can do that, you need to, you see if I click deposit, what happens that it will ask you to, okay, it didn't ask actually, sorry for that. Okay, you need to do the account verification. Once you do the account verification, you need to fill up first name, last name, all this, which question and ask here. Examples here, you need a passport, take a picture. Our new version of KYC is coming up within this week, which you can do through webcam, through website or mobile webcam, and it will be automatically be approved with your ID. So with our new AI also will help you to approve KYC in just 2-3 minutes. Okay, so this is currently manually, so you need to upload like that, put your signatures, and we need one utility bill, can be electricity bill, phone bill, which has the current address. It has to be latest 2 months, not more than that, not exceeding that. You need to upload that file. You see here, ID, holding ID with showing Bitinium signature, Bitinium and your signature and date, and the cable line, utility bar, anything line for utility to prove for your current residence address. So you upload those three things. Three things to require. One is your ID or passport. Second thing is with your holding it or with your face, full face, clear picture with your ID, with written Bitinium with your signature and date. Third will be your utility bill. Just upload it. The latest should be no than 2 months, and then you can start to submit. Once you submit it, confirm it, we'll get a notification and we approve it. Then you can start automatically deposit your funds. Okay, here you can start exchange. It's called for trading activities, IEO, which we have listed, and IEOs are coming, which is a good for all to purchase the coins. My wallet shows you all the coins, what you have in your deposit or withdraw. But for deposit is not a big problem because you just need the address where you can copy the address. Example USDT, you just copy that address and you can send it to anywhere. You can do it easily. We have fiat deposit with these things with Exenpool, with our partner, but you need to do KYC with them as well. So it's a bit up to you guys who are feeling there are few countries where they have deposit Indian rupees, Thailand, Vietnam, Singapore, and all those things. So payment method, it's up to you, which is your example using in India, you use UPI, so it's easy. If it is in Thailand, you need PromptPay. You can do it easily with scan your with your bank account and done. So you can use Exenpool to deposit funds as well, fiat currency with us, and withdraw as well. So for withdraw, what I recommend you to do something, you need to go to the settings. It's very important. You pick the currency. You can even do trade with Indian rupees, which is real time, and USDT. I prefer USDT. Password, if you want to change anytime, you can change it here. You saw my password. I'll be changing shortly. So here's dip chip, which you verify the new version. I told you we are going to have a dip chip verifications. But if you have in Thailand, you can do that, but not in international. You'll be using other things to do it, which is called passport with NFC with the webcam. Secret pin is something when important. We require when you do the withdrawal for your security. We are using a high-end security withdrawals, so it cannot be everyone who can withdraw easily. So I'll set up a pin here, a 6-digit pin. So please read 6 character and at least 1 character digit. So example, I just made without character. Okay, I put here, done, and save, set up my pin. Wait for a while, it's doing for you here, done. So means now your PIN has been saved. Whenever you withdraw, you will need to put this PIN. So don't forget, it's important to note down for your safety. We cannot do anything if you lose the PIN. You have to reset yourself. So it's just updating you that PIN is something very important for requirement for withdrawals. And in future we have some SMS OTP also coming. So these are very important things. Please do it and keep it with secret PIN. This is simple setting that I told you. You see here. So account verification you have done, settings you have done, affiliate statues, we have bonus statues. If you're having some friends who want to trade under your IB, so you can just share here, copy these things, copy the address, share it to them, and it will be on your link. They will be your referral. You can earn money, 50% of the commission. And we are charging only 0.1, same as other big exchanges. So you can get 50% commission, means 50% is yours. If they trade more and more, your friends share. It's a trade system. So the more share, the more you get money. So this is the page where you see all the transaction, deposit, withdraw, trade history, and all those things. My wallet already explained you. Now let's go to the exchange page for trading. Once you have done all that, deposit has been done, you can start trading with click here, exchange. So this will divert you to a site that starts trading over here. Please wait for a while, sign up, welcome. And here you can buy, sell, everything is ready here. Thanks for watching the video, for setting up and everything for deposit and withdrawal. If you have further question inquiries, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching the video.